Hello, everyone. We are Camelship, and we are the marketplace for logistics for couriers in the UAE. We started our mission to make shipping easier for e-commerce companies. And we noticed that actually shipping is not a very easy task to begin with. You need to go to the couriers, you need to sign a contract, and you need to pay a deposit. And the activation time is necessary. Sometimes it takes a long time to activate. We solved this by creating a web app where you can print your shipping label in 3 minutes. This has taken all the pain away from online sellers so that they can focus on their core mission, which is selling. What we have is one screen, multiple couriers, and tracking for all the couriers and all the orders. And we managed to make it pleasant to use for a change. Courier systems are not necessarily very user-friendly, so we focus a lot on user experience. We've tried to innovate around the courier business in general, and now currently it takes about 5 seconds to get codes from 3 different couriers. Our partners are top couriers in the UAE market, and we plan on expanding to the region very soon. It takes, on average, about 2 months to integrate a courier. We've minimized that to less than a day. Our customers are really appreciative of the value we add to them so that they can focus more on selling. Currently, we are solving this problem in the UAE and the MENA region, and it's a problem worth solving, really, because the market is going to be doubling in size in 2020 with a 15% growth annually. There is an interesting thing happening in MENA right now, which is called social commerce or social selling, and basically online sellers are using Instagram and WhatsApp and Facebook to sell online. This is not necessarily very easy to arrange for shipping using these platforms. So this is where Camelship fills the gap between the courier and that sort of demand. We're not a courier, so we don't have a fleet, and we don't have assets, and we don't manage warehouses and stuff. We actually leverage the couriers, and we can scale with them in the countries they operate in. So it's a unique business model. Our team is very much focused on connecting the courier side and the e-commerce side. Our team is very well equipped and passionate about solving API problems and also delivering value to the online sellers. I myself worked for a courier in the past, so we understand how couriers actually operate. These are our international peers in the market, but we are the first API to operate in the MENA region. Thank you very much. We are Camelship, and we give a ship. Thank you.
Camelship. Okay, let's see if the jury actually give a ship.
How many languages do you have? Because of your cross-border transactions, how many languages can you cover?
Languages for the web app.
This region. There are a bunch of different languages, right?
So we are currently launched in English, in the English language. Online sellers who use social media platforms currently master the English language. Our core market, the UAE, English is the most common language. It's mostly an expat community in the UAE. Yes, English is fine.
And you compete in the same markets as one of our portfolio companies, Zook, and they have Zook Express. How does this product differ from what they do?
Q Express. It's actually a complementary product. Basically, to be able to streamline the supply of the courier market and the demand in the e-commerce space, we sit in the middle. So we are able to channel that supply and match it to the existing demand. Really, as I said, Q Express is the courier for Zook. It's their only customer. It's their second biggest e-commerce courier. If they decide to open that up for the market, we can streamline their demand. We can be a marketing vehicle for them.
What's your current revenue?
So currently, we were focused on the product development and then the team building. We just started executing our go-to-market strategy. We are revenue positive, but our revenues are, I would say, not. We just started, so no revenues right now.